In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a VGA monitor to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of today, no PlayStation 5 models features a native VGA port. However, you can still connect and use your monitor in conjunction with a PlayStation 5 console. All that you need is the proper adapter. So look for an HDMI to VGA adapter. This will act as the bridge. Because your PlayStation 5 only has an HDMI port, what you will have to do is convert this into VGA. So, like I said before, look for an HDMI to VGA adapter. You can find these on all sorts of places like Amazon for cheap. So all that you have to do is plug one end of the adapter into the console and the other one, or the monitor, and the other one here will be used for you to establish a connection. So you plug a standard VGA cable into the adapter, and the other end of this cable goes into the monitor. Once you have the adapter connected to the HDMI port on the PlayStation 5 and the adapter connected to the monitor, you are good to go. Just make sure that it is receiving power if needed, usually from an external power supply, and then power it on. With the PlayStation 5 and the monitor powered on, and with the right source selected, you will be able to proceed and use your monitor through a VGA cable alongside your PlayStation 5. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.